Noong October 17, 2011, 9:45 p.m., 2 buwan matapos mahuli siya ng kanyang asawa na may kabit, tumawag si Pastor Philip Grandin sa 911 mula sa kanilang bahay sa Ontario, Canada. Pakinggan natin saglit ang kanyang tawag.
Okay, so tell me exactly what's happened.
I just came home and I was out running and my wife was taking a bath, and when I came home she's in the bath but she's under the water and she's not breathing.
Okay, sir, did you remove the water from the bathtub?
No, I haven't.
Okay, take the moment to do that now, okay?
Okay.
Natagpuan niya ang kanyang Pilipinang asawa na si Ana Carissa Grandin na nasa bathtub na puno ng tubig at walang malay. Ano nga ba ang nangyari sa Pilipinang si Ana Carissa? Ano ang kinalaman ng kanyang asawa sa